If you have a latch and you just don't want it to lock anymore, like it's rock hard right now because there's a switch on the side, and sometimes it gets loose and then you kind of lock yourself out, and you just don't want that to lock anymore, you just want it to, always open up like that, then I'm going to show you how to remove the locking mechanism on the side right there. So let's get started. These are the tools you need. You need a power drill just to get the screws out, and then you'll need the pliers to, I'll be bending a piece of like aluminum or metal on the latch. So first things first, take this screw out, then this screw, and then this little piece will come out, as well as this part, and then there's a spring in there with a kind of like a rectangular like little strike plate that holds these two together, and that's it. Take the latch, turn upside down, see this metal piece right here, just take preferably a needle nose pliers, grab it and then bend it upwards. Then take your needle nose pliers and just go ahead and pull this up and wiggle it out. We pulled it up with the pliers. Now I just need to pull it up. Yep, there we go. This is the lock mechanism. Now make sure you can also kind of move this a little bit, not all the way, just a little bit. And I'm gonna just put this metal piece. If you can, try not to break it, but if you do, it's fine. Now I'm just gonna smooth this back out with my pliers so it looks nice and flat. Go ahead and install this back on the storm door. Take all the pieces, put them back in, however your storm door is. Got the spring right there. So put this part in, and put the latch in on this side, put both screws in. Finish it up by hand tightening this. Now to test it. Looks good. There's no lock there anymore. That's great. Latches on perfectly. There we go. And yeah, I just need to clean this and that's it. Looks good.